Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you this beautiful exhibition Flair routine, and of course I'm gonna teach you. Let's break it down. First thing, look how I'm holding the bottle, and the same way you need to pull it towards yourself, and the cash same way. So just the same way. The next step, you throw in it and you land it on the tin, which is on your another hand. Then you're doing the same, but now try to move the hand while your bottle is rolling from one side to another side. At the end also, you're just catching it. So throwing helicopter from another side, throw to the right side. Next step, one flip, catching bottle with the thumb looking down. The tin, no flips, throwing over the hand, catching under the hand. Then inward flip with the bottle. Most important, look how I'm flipping. So once again, flip, no flips with the tin, and inward toss with the bottle, right? Next step, which is last, you throwing the bottle flat, that way, but most important, turn from the right to left side. You throw it flat, picking up the tin and snatching. So all together, helicopter, then you go to the flip, tin over the hand, catching under, inward flip, and turning body to the left, changing the tin and snatching. Amazing news, guys! Already next Tuesday we will open registration to the Flair bartending bootcamp in Las Vegas, which will happen on April 15. There is only 6 spots will be available. We'll live all together in a big house with a training area, with a pool, and I will work personally with each. So we'll build up your own show. We'll show you the best Flair bars in the world, the best location. We prepared for you a great program, so don't miss it. The registration starts January 30. Leave the comment if you're interested and we will drop you more info.